Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time. Hi, I'm Jason Buck. Welcome to the Broker Open House Tour, starting the day off in Area 170. This is West Rancho Palos Verdes, right next to Point Vicente. Huge view here. House needs some work. This is our street as it goes down to the drive. Point Vicente School sits right up here behind that, and then this is going up the other way. So, ton of potential here. Does need a lot of work, but the view is fantastic. Stepping on in. Hi. So we have a master bedroom here, vaulted ceiling, and it has a 3/4 bath in the back. Kind of like a half tub, half shower. Nice open living room here. And then look at the vault, amazing. And then on out to the view. And Shazam, this is huge. So straight to Point Vicente, the Isthmus of Catalina, and then all the way around. Big yard, ton of room here, lots of potential. The homes down below us are oceanfront, so those are all big multi-million-dollar homes. So trim some trees and make some stuff work out here. It'd be amazing. Now, there'll be another little island out this way, which is Santa Barbara Island. That's where the sun sets. But you can probably see all the way around to Malibu, so you'd see sunsets out here all year long. Lots of room on the side, low pitch roof, a lot of opportunity. Great listing agent, colorful shirt, what a guy. So let's go back in the way we came out, back into this living room here. There's a fireplace here, and then we transition into the dining / kitchen area. So the fireplace is on this side as well. Kitchen could use some updating. Obviously, I'd probably try and push the whole house out because we're at 1,800 feet, and we're a little more than 18, and you can use a bigger room. This is nice though, good layout. And then we have bedrooms back this way. One room there, another room here. We got cottage cheese up there. It's got a vault though. We got our other bath here. This is a full double sink. So quite a bit of potential. A good spot. This is 2812 Paseo del Mar. This is one of my favorite spots because this is the southern part of Paseo del Mar where there's cliffs and open terrain, and it stays a lot more quiet over here, and it's just a really good nook of the hill, and this is a pretty elaborate, extravagant home. It's got the driveway around the side so you can pull right up to the front, greet the lions, look at the exterior stucco and the casing work that they did. It's really magnificent. There's a lot of good detail in here. Stepping on in. Beautiful wishbone entry. Hi. Very nice. Very formal, elegant living room. Just gorgeous. Look at the flooring. It's just really nice. Big plank, distressed. This is our dining room. So nice. And then it changes in here to tile. Really good tile work with all the inlet. So this is a little half bath. And then we come into our kitchen. Gorgeous. Look at this countertop. This is a limestone. Some beautiful stone. I'm not sure if it's limestone, but that is awesome. And then our cabinetry. Got the ceiling too, the coffins. It is a maple line. There's a 4-burner with a big grill. And then it's nice that it stretches right on into the living, so you could hang out with whoever's watching the game or whatnot. And then the backyard here is amazing. Really well done. Come right on out to your barbecue. Look at that, whole nother cooking station here. It's beautiful. Drain right in the middle, so hose it all down. Nice little outdoor covering, and that's the nice part about these lots. They're huge lots, so you have all this extra land and space. Nice pool, jacuzzi, and what a big lot. Let's get some grass over here. And you got this beautiful outdoor seating area with a fireplace. It's very nice. Oh, another outdoor fireplace. So we're going to look back at that living room and kitchen. And there was a butler pantry back here as well that takes you on to the dining room. Coffee maker, all this other fun stuff, and a big pantry. Nice. All right, let's just go this way because we'll get right to the rest. So here's our main hallway. There's our entrance. Let's take a look at the rooms in the back here. We have 2 staircases, so this is another staircase coming down. Ooh, Venetian plaster back here. Love it. There's a 3/4 bath. This goes to the outside, which then takes us to our garage. 3-car. Back here. There's a room, a couple rooms down here. Front room. It's nice. Beautiful countertop there. This is just a half, so this is for guests. And then up in the front we have a very nice office. That's a full bath. There's a second staircase. A lot of bedrooms here. So here's an upstairs room, using it for a TV room. Upstairs bedroom. Could be a guest room. Does have a bathtub. Beautiful in here. This is gorgeous. Get some view. Everything. Full tub. Nice closet. Another upstairs bedroom. Very nice. Has its own bath. Full tub. Across into the master. Beautiful. Little sitting area and then a balcony out here. giant bath. Wow. Tub in the middle. Double sink. Big shower. Huge closet. Very nice. There's the sauna. From that main hallway, you come this way and then there's the downstairs. And I remember this part. This is a movie theater. So, let's see what it looks like. Yeah. Super nice. 10-seat movie theater. Pretty cool. On into a gym. Also really cool. Neat. Great place. All right, next stop, we're at 6100 Monero. We're actually at the end of the street, so this is the end of the cul-de-sac, which is really nice. Got some side yard here. Nice tile. Pavers all the way in. This is tile floor. It's gorgeous. Comes right on into a big living room here. We go back this way, we have our kitchen set up. This is standard, there's usually a breezeway here. And look at this, all open into where they have the washer and dryer. That's really nice. Direct access to the garage. Sweet. And here's our kitchen. A lot of storage here. Moves on through. Oh, this is a good setup. Look at the yard, it's really nice. We have pavers here in the back. Nice grass. A lot of side yard, actually. Wow. And this backs up into Hawthorne. Nice motion view that way.
Taking pictures?
Video. Beautiful spot here. This is nice. Looks like they redid the windows too. That's good. Moving on through. So they have tile in the hallway and then carpet in the bedrooms. Very clean, all painted. Very nice. Bathroom's all updated. New tile work. Very nice full bath. And then here's what would be the master. It looks like they've done the windows throughout. I think they got the same tile job in here. Nice. Good setup. This is a new one on Grayslake, and it's pretty spectacular. Totally redone. Huge view out here, straight down into downtown LA that way. Super nice. So they put a lot of money into this all over, inside and out. We got a little bit of side yard on the other way. Nice eco landscaping come on in. Smooth stucco, new windows. What a setup.
It's so nice.
All right, now inside. Great entrance. What I like is when you look back and you have the mirror over it. I mean, that's just, what a nice entrance. And then you come in and shazam. Wow. This is beautiful. You got the corner all opened up to maximize the view. And really nice stuff in here. Wow. Tongue and groove, maple lined. Cushion clothes, everything all built in. Nice lazy Susan in there. Beautiful cabinetry backsplash. All the windows, LED lights. I love the, well, not LED, old school Edison lights. Nice center island here. Very functional. Good setup. That's a great kitchen. I like the bar top, and it's all communal out into this area. Here we get to enjoy this view. It's gorgeous. All the way around, almost to Long Beach. It's beautiful. Moving on through, the floors are the white oak. It's gorgeous. Bleached. Nice dining setup. Big wide hallway, that's cool. Beautiful 3/4 floor, I love it. I like that bath a lot. That's nice. So here we got a back living room. It's interesting, but it's nice how it opens up to the yard here. And you get a view on the other side, a little ocean view. Wow. Good stuff. Another sitting room in the back of the fireplace. We'll come into our bedrooms. This has got doors to the outside. Cute. Cute. Everything's done. Wow, chandelier in the closet. Another beautiful bath. Double sink. Great color combo too. I like that. All LED lights, all recessed. Vaulted ceilings. It's very nice.
I started
Great
seeing it the
setup.
other day. It's really neat. Oh,
Yeah.
really spreading.
Okay, from the front door, there is laundry right up here, so that's a nice spot. And then a beautiful garage with a nice storage up above. So this is a great setup. Great property. All right, we're at our next listing. The street is called Waupaca. Never even been on this street before. It's a short little street, but we're right there off this Rolling Hills or Peninsula High School is right there. So nice pavers coming on in. Good looking curb appeal here. Big gate. All right, stepping on in. We have comes right on into this living room, which is really nice. Everything's skimmed. They've done recessed lighting. You can see the TV set up here. It moves on into your dining setup this way. Wow, nice kitchen with the bar top. It's beautiful. Nice granite here. Little work area. And a sink with a view to the backyard. Nice big fridge, Viking cooktop. Side door goes out. There's probably a barbecue over there somewhere. This one has the see-through fireplace in this floor plan, and then that's open, the bar top through there. Let's check this out. It's a covered patio is very nice. Looks like there's just a viewing area up above there. It's great. Rose garden. So, coming back through off the front door, we have one bedroom here, and this would be the master. Once again, skim ceilings, nice lighting in the back, and has its own bath. Ooh, they fixed that countertop. That's nice. Sweet. It's okay. There's a door that goes outside, and then there is a jacuzzi. Steam room. Oh, neat. I would have missed this.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
Oh, neat. Look at that. Wow. And a 3/4 half
No,
bath.
sorry, half.
Half bath.
If you, when you have
Gotcha.
kids, your desk could be-
Yeah. Thank you.
There was a jacuzzi there.
Yeah, it
What's
looks.
the water and the gas lines over there?
Yeah, there's a water and gas line here for a hot tub.
Hi, how are you?
You know what, you don't have to.
Oh, is that yeah. Thank you. You have a card.
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
Nice to meet you, Stephanie.
Okay, sorry, I didn't brief.
Hi, Kimmy.
Oh, hey, Jason.
So it looks like the windows were done.
Yes.
Nice bedroom. Another bedroom. Number 3, this one's got direct access to the garage. That's nice. That's full of stuff. Cool place. All right, last stop today. Boy, this is pretty neat. We're on Via Vista Verde. I think it mixed up. But boy, look at this. Huge grounds here. Looks like there's a real working garage here, as they've got a jack. Enter through the arch. All right. Let's take a peek at the garage while we're here. This way, Bill. Wow, this is something else. How you doing? Wow. What's up there? Are you an agent?
No, my dad's the owner.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
What's up above?
There's a loft apartment out there.
Neat. This is amazing. And this is another way up there, or another one?
This is a separate loft. It's unfinished.
Cool.
Yeah. Take a look around. Yeah. Do stuff. Yeah. Go on. Yeah, how you doing? Good. Your dad? That's my dad's place. Oh, really? Yeah. I'm Bill Root. Bill Keel. You guys, you grew up here? Yeah. Yeah, I remember this place is just always intriguing. Yeah.
Wow, what a workshop. What a neat place.
There he is, AJ.
How's it going?
Hi Jason, how are you?
Good, how are you? So there's a little guest house back here. Look at the grounds, amazing. Hi, beautiful place. So cool. There's the arch. Wow. Hi. How's it going?
How are you?
Good. Very good, thanks. It's kind of like a mission and kind of like a ranch. Kind of like a hostel. Pretty neat. Very interesting. Wow, great view of the port. And right down to the bridge. I mean, huge grounds here. This place is massive. Big view here. Pretty neat.
Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.